Snowflake, Arizona. All right, Arizona in the house again in the barrel racing. Watched it a little earlier during our timed events. Arizona in the steer wrestling tonight and the barrel racing competition. Now she's going to go to the left side first. Nothing wrong with that. 2 right-hand turns left to go. There's one. One final. And we're all going to help her back across the finish line right now. Big, long stride on that big sorrel horse at an 18:31 for Arizona. 18:31. Well, Montana, you're on top. How about it? 17.